Learn how to assemble the Lsc Sono Center Professional Treatment Set with this comprehensive tutorial. The set consists of the central unit, which distributes the treatment protocols to the signal generators. It also includes 4 signal generators that produce the pre-programmed signals for the antennas. In the Sono Center application, they are channel A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Additionally, the set is equipped with a USB cable for computer connectivity and phone cables for linking the units. The set also features signal emitters, also known as antennas, pads, or matrices, and also has a power source. Link the central unit to the computer. By using the provided USB cable, connect the central unit to the computer running the Lsc Sono Center application. Instructions on how to use the Lsc Sono Center application can be found in a separate tutorial. Caution. At times, the USB connection on Windows may become unstable. If you encounter any issues with the Lsc Sono Center not functioning properly, just disconnect the USB cable from either the central unit or your computer and reconnect it. This simple step should resolve the problem swiftly. Link the central and signal generator units. The next step is to link the central unit with the signal generators. For this, use the provided telephone cables. These are the cables we are going to use. First, fit one cable to the only phone socket in the central unit, and fit the other end of the cable into one of the phone sockets on the first signal generator unit. It doesn't really matter which of the 2 sockets you use, but easier if you use always the first one for input, the second one for output. Keep linking the units. Usually, one treatment bed uses 4 signal generators with 1 antenna each. If you have more than one bed, you have to link the 4th signal generator with the first generator of your next bed. This way, you can link up to 64 beds. The unit closest to the central unit will be the A channel in the application. The second one will be channel B. The third one is channel C. And the 4th is channel D. This arrangement is very important because all the protocols are designed by following this order. Attaching the antennas. The next step is to attach the antennas to the signal generators. We connect one antenna each. Usually, we use different size antennas to every unit. First, attach a full body size, X-large antenna, or mat, to the first generator, the one closest to the central unit. It will be the signal emitter to channel A in the application. This antenna is built into our specially designed treatment beds and connecting with a Canon connector. You might use an XL mat with Canon connector or with USB-B connector. We have different kinds of matrices. You may connect the USB cable to either USB port on the unit. Now the first or A unit's antenna is attached. Next, the second antenna. We usually use this medium-size antenna. This is the generator and antenna for channel B. Now we have the first and the second unit ready. The third one in the line is for channel C. Usually, we use an L-size antenna with USB connection for it. After the first, second, and third unit, we attach the antenna to the 4th unit, channel D. Usually it is a small mat with USB. Placement of the antennas. The antennas are typically placed as we are going to show in this tutorial, but it may vary based on the protocol being utilized. Make sure to refer to the protocol description in the Sono Center application. For the first unit, which is channel A, usually we use a full-size antenna. It might be built in the bed, or can be a separate mattress with either Canon or USB connection. This mattress will be under the user. Channel B typically utilizes a medium-sized antenna. We commonly position it on the chest region. The antenna can be placed horizontally, vertically, or at an angle. The orientation of the mat, whether it's the front or back side facing the client, is not important. An L-sized antenna is typically used with channel D. This mat usually covers the stomach and pelvic area and extends down to the thighs. It is best to place it with the zipper side facing up and towards the feet. Channel D typically utilizes a small-sized antenna. We commonly position it against the soles of the feet, fixing it by the attached Velcro. The orientation of the mat, whether it's the front or back side facing the feet, is not important. Power supply. The Lsc Sono Center set you have may includes a power supply that has been thoughtfully designed to simplify cable arrangement. To access the unit power supply cables, simply slide the lid of the box to one side. Inside, you will find 4 cables. Move the cover to the opposite side in order to access the adapter and connect the main power cable to it. We deliver the Lsc Sono Center with the appropriate power plug for your region. Secure the cover, and you can now proceed to plug in your 4 units. The central unit has its power supply from the USB port of the attached computer. Plug the 4 cables to the signal generator units. There is no power button on the units, you don't need to turn them on and off. When a unit is on, a green LED illuminates. Now you are ready to use your Lsc Sono Center set.